everyone. Thanks for tuning in this morning at Diecast News Broadcast. I'm Pegah Zarandi.
And I'm Metelow. We've got a lot of great stuff for you today. First and foremost, let's get our daily dose of sports entertainment with our least favorite anchor, Sporty Sap.
Great to have you back for our review of the game between the Diecasters and the Investment Waxes. The Diecasters ended up winning the game 7-1. The Diecasters were just able to output a significantly higher volume of parts in this one. Investment Waxes never had a chance. Now let's go over some of the top plays of the game. Clearly, since the Diecasters battered the other team, all the highlights are theirs. Here we can see the diecast mold and the molten metal that we have highlighted in yellow. We see here that the two sides of the mold are pressed together before the molten metal is pressurized into the diecast chamber. The plunger slowly pressurizes the molten metal into the die mold. As you can see here, it evenly disperses amongst the mold. It looks like the pressure was really on here for the Diecasters as they managed to make a perfect part with no failures. The part is then ejected out of the mold using its ejector pins. Wow, let's see a replay of that one. Really incredible stuff here. They then brought in the closers and finished off the final part by taking off the sprue and machining the edges. Well, this was a wrap-up of the intense matchup between the Diecasters and the Investment Waxes. Thanks for stopping by. Back to the desk.
Thanks, Sporty Sap. Glad to see the Diecasters came out on top. Did you catch the game last night? Alright, moving on.
It was a great.
Now for everyone's favorite segment, with our critically acclaimed weatherman,
Waterspout Will!
Will, let's hear a little bit about what to expect this week.
So, it's still going to be very chill in the northeast region, but diecasting is still going to be very hot. Diecasting injects molten metal under high pressure into a mold cavity, so a hot temperature is required to melt the metal. For the casting itself, there's hot and cold chamber diecasting. Hot chamber diecasting uses alloys with low melting temperatures like zinc and magnesium, while cold chamber diecasting uses alloys like aluminum with high melting temperatures.
Oh man, is it hot in here or is it just Waterspout Will? Thanks, Will.
We have one last segment for you guys here today at Diecast News. We have Jackie on the street. Jackie's out to interview a Pitt student on their knowledge of diecasting.
Hi there, random pedestrian. Hello. Do you have some time to answer some questions today?
Yeah, I'm just on my way to manufacturing class, but...
Alright, awesome. Have you heard about the new trendy process we call diecasting?
Yeah, I actually just learned about it in class yesterday.
Well, if your knowledge is up to diecasting new standards, you could win a crazy prize.
Cool.
Alright, are you ready?
I think so.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Question 1. Diecasting is a metal casting process characterized by forcing molten metal under blank pressure, high or low?
Oh, I think I know this one. Hi.
Oh, that is correct. Question 2. Most die castings are made from blank metals, specifically zinc, copper, aluminum, and lead. Are they ferrous or non-ferrous?
Non-ferrous for sure.
Correct again, you really know your stuff. Alright, question 3. True or false? Die castings are characterized by very good surface finish and very high dimensional consistency.
True.
Right again. Question 4 and final question. Some advantages of die casting include fast cycle times, about 15 cycles a minute, and the convenience of melting the metal in the casting machine. Is this called hot chamber or cold chamber casting?
Can I phone a friend?
I guess.
Waterspout Will, help.
Hey, I'm on the air.
Rain down some knowledge on me, amigo.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Does hot or cool chamber casting melt metal in the casting machine?
Oh, it's hot chamber.
Thanks, Will. Okay, it's hot chamber casting.
That is correct. And for your grand prize, you won a wine opener.
Wow, thanks.
That's all for Pedestrian on the Street. Back to you, Alex.
Thanks, Jackie. That was intense.
Alright, well that's all we have today for you folks, but before we leave for the hour, we have some breaking news. Look at this picture of this good boy. He saved 20 children from a burning building here in Southside. What a miracle.
Pegah, that's not true.
Alright, well that's all we have for today. Bye!